Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, my little altcoin lovers. This is my first video on this channel and I am excited to have you here. This channel is all about crypto, altcoins and everything related to this space. I'll be sharing insights, deep market analysis and my thoughts on where we are heading next. For today's first video, we are starting with the most important asset in this market, Bitcoin. And of course, we'll also take a look at Ethereum, the king of altcoins. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel to get the daily updates about market. And of course, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get the notifications about my new videos. So let's not waste any time, let's dive straight in. So let's start with Bitcoin and begin with the local picture. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, let's see what has been happening in the past few days. Today is March 9th, so we'll analyze recent price movements. As you can see, we stand for 2 days on this level. So why we stand here? Because basically we have a very good bullish imbalance on this level. So as you can see, he supported us for 2 days, but now we broke down. So let's look where we can find the next support for our price. So I think the next support will be here. So we have not another like the bullish order block. And also, as you can see here, we have a perfect BPR. So what is BPR? It's balanced price range. So it's a very, very, very huge and strong support for price. As you can see here, we had a very quick buyer's reaction from this BPR. So we have two supports, BPR and our bullish order block. I think maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow we will find support from these levels and we will see the buyer's reaction from these levels. So let's look also the resistances. So the first resistance on our 4-hour chart we have here. Basically it's a bearish imbalance. So as you can see, we had 2 times the reaction from this imbalance. Okay, here we had not a perfect reaction, but finally we got some. And here this was a perfect, like, precise reaction from this imbalance. Now, so to rise, like to go up, we need to break up this level, this bearish imbalance, and to retest it and go upper. So, but I think tomorrow we will have another little dump just to test this order block and to test this BPR, and maybe after, so this week, later, like maybe Friday or Sunday or Thursday, we will have some buyer's reaction and we will see some bullish moves. So let's switch to daily chart. Let's zoom out to see the global picture of Bitcoin for the next like months or maybe 2 months, and let's look what we have and where we are headed. So let's take a look at the daily chart on Bitcoin. The first thing I see is a bearish engulfing pattern here. So last Sunday, the bearish engulfing pattern is a very strong seller pattern. So as we can see, why we got this reaction from this level, simply because we got a very strong daily bearish imbalance here. So bearish FVG on this level. So we got an immediate reaction on daily chart. So the next day we got a completely bearish engulfing pattern here. So right now we are dumping. Maybe tomorrow it's Monday. Usually we have a little dumps on Monday, and maybe tomorrow we will get some. And here we have a perfect bullish rejection block. I don't think, in my opinion, that we will go below this level, 78k, basically, because as we can see here, we had a very strong buyer's reaction. That's why we had this rejection block. That's why it's called the rejection block. So, but let's take a look in the worst scenario, worst case, where we could find the next support if we will dump lower than 78k. So let's zoom out and go back to 2024, the previous year, the last year. Here we got, if we take a technical analysis, the classic technical analysis, we had a perfect pattern, the bullish flag. As we can see, we broke up in October, we retested this bullish flag and we got a parabolic move after that, and we got our all-time high on 109k, so 110k even, we can say, on some exchanges. As we can see, this trend line of bullish flag will be a huge support for our price. Also, as we can see here, we had a strong, very strong level that was a huge resistance. So we had 1, 2, 3 times we touched this level and we got a seller's reaction. But on fourth touch, we broke up this level and we got our parabolic move. So I think this level, as we broke up this level, now this level is a mirror level. Like, this level now is a support for our price. So this level is on 73k approximately. So I think we will get some huge support on this level if we will go lower. I don't think that we will go lower than 78k. But if so, the 73k is the final stop, like the final support in our case, I think, in my opinion. It's not a financial advice, just my thoughts. Also, as I can see here, we got a super like cool big bullish imbalance. So on our daily chart, basically why we got the buyer's reaction here. So as you can see, we covered, like we fulfilled this FVG and we got some perfect buyer's reaction. Right now we are testing this FVG second time, so maybe, as you can see, we have rejection block, we have this FVG, so a huge, really huge support for our price. I think we will get a very cool reaction, maybe here, maybe we'll fulfill the rejection block and the bullish imbalance, and we will have some buyer's reaction that will get some parabolic move that we are waiting already for 2 months, because for 2 months we don't have any good moves since December. So that's it for our Bitcoin and our daily chart. My thoughts on our daily chart and what we can see in next 1 month or 2 months. Now let's switch to Ethereum. So Ethereum also has a very interesting chart. Let's analyze both the local and global picture. Starting with the local perspective, so the 4-hour time frame, we see that Ethereum has been in a strong downtrend for quite some time, since December, roughly 2 months. So locally, there is nothing particularly interesting happening. So as we can see here by these candles, so we got 1, 2, 3 candles, they made our buyer's zone. So we had a very good buyer's zone here, like from $2K and $60 to 2K, like, yeah. Also here we have equal lows, and the third equal low is being formed right now. So if we will keep this level, we will have a third equal low. The equal lows usually are also a very good support for price, but I don't think that we will keep this level and we will go lower. So maybe we'll find some buyer's reaction from this zone, so from this buyer's zone. Let's also look at resistances. So the main resistance for next few days, maybe we have this bearish order block. So it will be a huge resistance for our price if we will reach here. Also, we have bearish imbalance on this level. So it's a big bearish imbalance, but I can say we already fulfilled this bearish imbalance, precisely like the upper level of this bearish imbalance, and I don't think that we will have another negative reaction from this zone. Maybe we'll skip this zone and go up and touch this order block, and maybe after that, I don't know, but we will break up this order block, and this order block will become a bullish breaker block, maybe. So, and we will have a huge support for our price in the future. But now we are dumping, and I don't know if we will have some support here. Let's see also, as we look on Bitcoin. Let's look at the daily chart. Let's zoom out to find the key supports on our chart if we will go lower on Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum on a daily chart. Let's zoom out and see the global picture. What I see, we had a bearish engulfing pattern just like on our Bitcoin daily chart. So as I said before, it's a very strong seller's candle, very strong seller's pattern that we had here. Why price stopped there? So basically very simple. As always, we had a very good, very beautiful bearish imbalance, bearish FVG on this zone, on this level. So we barely touched the lower border of this FVG and we got an immediate reaction of sellers. As you can see also here, we have equal highs. My indicator shows that we have only 2 equal highs, but in fact we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal highs on this level. And we also can say that this candle makes our bearish order block. Bearish order block. So what we can say that this level, the key level, so 2.8k approximately, we can say, is a very important level. I can say that if we will go up and break up this level, we will have a change of character. And if we will close daily candle up on this level, we will have a change of character, and this will be a huge bullish sign for us, and we will even take a long positions from this level. So let's look at our support. Our support, the main support is placed here. This is a bullish rejection block, so that we formed on 4th March. So right now we are standing here. I think, I hope, I hope, as the Ethereum is the king of altcoins. As I said in the beginning of this video, I don't want Ethereum to go lower than 2k, because if he will go lower than 2k, we will see a red, a lot of red candles on our favorite altcoins, on all altcoins. I also know that here I already placed this rectangle here, so we have a very good, bullish order block. We already fulfilled, we already tested this order block with this candle that we had on 4th March. So this candle formed our rejection block. So we have 2 supports on these levels. As I said, I don't think that we will go lower. But if we will go lower, let's see where we can find another support for our price. To find some key support on Ethereum, I switched to weekly time frame. I already placed this bullish FVG and this bullish order block on this chart. So I think this FVG will be a huge support for our price if we will reach this imbalance. I don't think, honestly, I don't think we will see this price like 1.8k, 1.77k on Ethereum. But we always need to make a different scenarios because market is unpredictable. We can't just make a bet and just to guess where price will go. So I can say that on this level we will have a very huge support if we will reach these levels. But I honestly, in my opinion, I don't think that we will see this price on Ethereum in next, I don't know, like 6 months or 1 year. Because I can say that on Bitcoin, we already made a lot of profit. Like we made a very good move up, like from our previous all-time high. We have a 60%, like the 1.6x from our previous all-time high. And on Ethereum, as you know, we are like in shit. We are on 2k, while our previous all-time high is on 4.8k. And that's why, of course, all our altcoins are also in shit. So I believe in alt season, of course. That's why my channel is called Alt Crypto. I'm an altcoins enthusiast, so I believe in altcoins. I hold altcoins, of course. I don't hold any Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is the most important and the largest asset on this market, and we need to look at Bitcoin to understand where the price can go on other coins also. So, what I wait from price on Ethereum, I already placed this little arrow, yellow arrow. So I think we will make some moves on this level. Maybe no. I wait for some bullish, finally very good, strong bullish move on Ethereum in the next few months. To conclude, I want to say thank you for watching. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, subscribe to my Telegram channel to get the latest updates on market and on my latest new videos. Next week, I will post a lot of videos about altcoins, about different narratives, different opportunities to make some money on this bull market. Thank you for watching, and bye.